Alright guys, this is part 2 of how to take your G&G CM16 radar apart. You just saw that I accidentally pulled off the pistol grip, but I did get those screws out. They were a bitch. As you can see, they are quite stripped by accident, of course, but I was able to get them out. I got smaller screwdrivers that'll get inside more that I can still screw them with. Okay, easy enough. Pull the pistol grip off. Make sure you don't, like, pull your wires like 50 feet somewhere, I don't know. But they come off pretty easily. There's your pistol grip. Next, what we're going to do is, I'm just going to use a tiny screwdriver for this, but I'm going to, right here, there's going to be a screw on your mag release. You just unscrew that. Be careful, there is a spring inside, and I just dropped that. Good thing I saw where it went. But there's the spring. There's another piece of the mag release. And hold on one moment, because I need that piece. I see it. It's way back there. Hold on, guys. Time to go soul searching. Oh, not only did I find that, but I found a cup. Not. Okay. Just to make sure that we don't lose these things, I always like to put the spring back on and screw this back in just a little bit so it stays there and we don't lose the things, because I have a problem with losing things. Just saying. Let's put it up here. Alright, next, this is a pretty simple part. Next you just take a screwdriver or something small, and you see this pin right here? You just gotta pop that out, which is pretty simple. You just put it on top and, hold on a sec, push out. Should come, oh shit, wrong way. Oops, guys. Blooper. A little bit. From there, I just gotta push it out the other way. It doesn't like to come out this way. There we go. See, it comes right out. And this pin right here, I can just push out because I've done it so many times. But when I do tighten screws, it does get pretty tight. And your gearbox should come out nice and easily. And there's a little receiver. My bolt catch, non-functioning bolt catch, fell out, which is normal. That's that part. Now let's get on to the front assembly, right here. This is pretty simple. It doesn't take that long. But I'm not going to be removing the dust cover just for time purposes, and plus I don't want to fuck it up. But here we go. So basically, to start that, oh, nice job, Mike. Just hold the camera. And you're just gonna take an Allen key, make sure that stays on, and find the right one. I'm not sure which one it is. I believe it's this one. But start taking these out. There is going to be, I believe it's this one. No, it's this. It's not this one. There's going to be 3 little ones like this that I'm going to pull out, and then there's going to be one long one, which is this one, and it goes back here, so remember that. You don't want to put that anywhere else. That goes back here. It's not going to fit anywhere else anyways, but get my point. That comes off. And then the next 2 will be down here. Oop. On the bottom of the rails. Comes out. And the last one right here. Basically, these next 2 Allen keys no one really sees. I just found them. And this is one more thing you have to do before you can remove this. And it's a really small Allen key. I'm pretty sure it's this one right here, I believe. It's really quite small, but it's right in here, actually. Right through that hole. It's in there. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's right in here. Can't really see it, but I'll pull it out for you guys. You just got to put it straight in, and if you look inside of there, you can see the hole where it is. And just kind of unscrew that. Be very careful though, because it's hard to get out. I'll show you guys a trick on how to get it back in exactly, but that's the little screw. And then there's one on the other side too. Oh, Jesus. Ah! Good job, Mike. Your hand blocked it. And it should come right apart very easily. So here's your rail system, plastic rail system. Good though. It's very lightweight. Your upper receiver, I'm not going to take this off, but if you do want to take this part off right here, it's very simple. There's one screw right there and one screw right there. They're both Allen keys. Just kind of screw that off, and there you go. If you lose one of those, you're screwed. I made a funny. Okay. And here's the imitation gas tube that I was talking to you guys about in the first video. It's very lightweight, like aluminum metal. I don't even really know. Here's your outer barrel, and this is basically what holds the gas tube in place. I'm not even sure what the hell it's called. Sling point adapt. This comes right out. Oh wait, never mind. Oops, I almost pulled that out. But there's one Allen key screw here and one Allen key screw here. If you unscrew those, the barrel will come out. And that's it for that. And now we're just gonna assemble the front, so you know a little trick on how to assemble it. Because those little screws right there that I showed you guys earlier, they are a bitch to get in if you try it another way. So I'm going to show you the easy way. So of course, start off like this. I'd like to put the gas tube in and make sure that this slants upwards at this end, because it's going to go into that right up there, that little notch right in there next to my finger. And it's just going to slide on there like that, kind of, when it's on there, but for now, that's how it's going to look. But we need to take this off. Son of a bitch.
Come on, force.
What?
Push force.
Yes.
There you go.
But, next, to get these little screws in easy, I recommend that you first take your Allen key that you got them out with, put them on, and screw them in just a little bit to where they're not going to be touching the barrel at all, but they're going to be able to stay in for the moment. Just like that, so where they're not going to be in there. And let's get this one on too. 8 minutes. Same thing with this one. Make sure you can still put it in. And let's do a quick assembly just so you can see. Make sure you get these right though. Right side, it'll say L and R for right and left, top and bottom. Thank you, Michael. Once you put that in, you can put this in very simply. I believe I got that in correctly. So
Looks good to me.
We'll go with yes. Okay. As long as the gun works internally, it'll work.